We're just trying to see.
No.
Oh, look at that.
I know, he wants to paint.
Like
So he's very excited with the painting.
I like this one. That boy. Because see what happens is when he goes, he just goes like this. And then he kind of just falls off. Kind of. He's like
stiff,
holding it.
Yeah. So he likes the spring.
Yeah.
Spring one. Yeah.
Yeah, this one seems a little bit
too long, maybe.
Yeah. I like this, the width
horse,
or something.
Yeah.
I like the texture of this one.
Okay.
You like that one? Or is that one? You got your own brush.
Yeah. You got your own brushes at home.
Yeah. Ziggy.
He approves it.
She had the design put on sneakers, so now he's selling sneakers.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
You saw that?
Want to try this one? Not you, but you want, yeah? Look at that one there. Yes. Ni hao. We had a big day yesterday. We had a recital with all of our students performing. And you could tell her what he did.
Well, he's part of the performance. He takes the part over the rainbow, and the girl that sings it has to hold him while he takes the part of, what's the dog's name? Toto. Toto. He doesn't look anything like Toto.
She teaches piano and singing.
Yeah.
She used to be an opera singer.
Oh.
Yeah.
When I was young.
Oh.
Do you know the Metropolitan Opera?
Yeah, of course.
In New York City? She used to sing in there.
Oh.
We both went to Juilliard.
Oh, Julia. Oh.
I know that school.
Yeah.
Heard about.
Yeah.
Famous.
Music.
It's not so hard. At least for me anyway. It was pretty easy. Right, Tiki?
When I went there, it was in a different place from where it is now.
Oh.
I have my video camera too. Can I take a video of you?
Look at the...
Can you move over there so I can film him, please?
Yes.
Move the whole chair over there.
That's exactly what I'm going to do.
Oh, you want to keep Ziggy watching me?
Ziggy.
What you got do for man? What do you call it? I'm using the brush you just tested.
Okay.
So you can see how it friends. Cappy try to.
I don't like him.
Cappy, quiet. Cappy, you keep quiet.
Ziggy's a good boy.
Ziggy. Let me see your mouth. Can I see your
He
mouth?
has no teeth.
No teeth.
4 teeth.
4 teeth.
Got a big paw right
Yeah, he has big feet.
there. Big feet.
Got them from his mother.
Oh.
His father is all black.
Oh, I see.
His father is very old.
Oh.
I think she said he's about 16 years old.
Then you got his face kind of dark, so we
Yes.
have to
Black
wash
on the
it, yeah.
cheeks.
We got the eyebrows.
We gotta get those eyebrows, Ziggy. That's an inside joke. I'll explain it to you later.
Does it look like him? Like that?
That's so cool. That is so neat.
Okay. I think I just omit this part. We don't see the feet. Where is his paintbrush? I should put his canvas.
Usually it's in his mouth.
Maybe just put it on the
Yeah, you got the
side.
side.
Yeah. This, we just put a standing. Like that. Just like that. Something like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then just no, the painting he does is on the background. Let me mimic his stroke, see if I can do that. So he would do. Right?
Pretty good.
Oh, and then some other colors. Okay. So what color you like for this? This brown or this blue, green, blue?
Yeah, he usually blue, green, he likes orange.
Okay, let's put it on colorful ones. Here. Ready? Oh, I got it on his face. Sorry. Okay.
He says, I don't put the blue on my face.
But Howard does.
Oh yes, he does.
Okay. Okay. Let me hold Ziggy.
We're gonna take another.
Hi, Cappy. We're done. Ziggy, you're so famous. I'm so honored to have Ziggy visit our studio today. I wish you guys have fun watching.
Thank you for having us, and everyone here on YouTube. This is another episode of the Ziggy vlog, and I hope you've enjoyed watching two artists collaborate, YouTube stars, Ziggy the Painted Pekingese and Henry Lee.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Henry, for just painting this wonderful artwork for us.
Thank you. We had a really fun time with Ziggy. Thank you for bringing Ziggy to.
Oh, you're welcome. It's our pleasure to have everybody meet.